Hello, good day everyone. So for today's update, I work on with HEMS AI and did few of the changes for the uh, AI monitoring in the application itself. So right now we have this dashboard, the HEMS AI dashboard that I created, wherein we are encoding the camera inside the HEMS AI here, and then the camera being encoded are sent directly to the desktop screen that we are working right now. Then here we have the encoding of the camera, like this one. So we can just click on new camera, enter the camera and description. I separated this UI to avoid any confusion and having potential issue with the existing HEMS dashboard. And then once we have the camera, we can view, edit, and delete it here like this. So you can see the test camera and then the RTSP URL, including the channel that we are using. And then this one is the desktop application that we have right now. So right now we have two camera, the camera 1 and camera 2. So once we start with the monitoring, you can see that we are connected to two camera and it's reading the camera frame. So there's still an issue with this one wherein you can see that both of the camera are using the same connection. However, as you can see here inside the camera, we have a separate channel. This one is on channel 6, while the other camera that we are having, which is the camera 1, is on channel 5. And the camera 2 is on channel 6, but the display here for the camera 1 and 2 is the same. So that's one of the issue that I'm currently fixing on. And the next thing that I will need to build onto this one is to integrate the events. This, since the camera detection right now for the desktop are still lagging inside the log file that we created instead of sending directly to events for the verification. Okay, I think that's all for my end for now for this update. Thank you.